Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. We're focusing on how to style your knotless braids for work, how to style your box braids, any kind of braids for work in an easy and elegant manner. Well, I was supposed to rock this style when I was going out there to implement a certain idea, of which I'll be sharing with you as we continue. But what happened? Well, I'll tell you later. Anyways, like this video, share it out, leave a comment down below, and make sure that you subscribe. Remember how to style your box braids for work, but you're not limited just for work, any type of braid. And as we get into that, make sure that you like this video, leave a comment down below, tell me what kind or which color is your braid, or where you're going to today, all that. So what you need is to push your braids to the back. So one way in which you can do that is just pushing them first to the very front, like that. And then you push them towards the back like that. But if your hair is new, or you just had your hairstyle on, you can actually just do it the easy way. Pick one by one until you are done. Okay, it also helps you to avoid your hair from coming out. Make sure they are well arranged at the front like that much. You can just do it. And you need something to hold your hair, like a band. So with my hair at the back like that, what you do is pick some here, like this. You pick some towards the back like that. Remember, I've picked even these ones, not all of them, but some from this side, some from this side. Then hold, not really at the back that much, but just there. You've held at the back like that. Oh no, I've held too much. Let me show you how you do it. You'll have like to first seem as if you're separating them so that more hair can come to this side like that. It's like you're dividing them or creating a pathway here, just like that. You see, this hair is more than the ones on this side. So after that, now hold that hair at the back as you were doing before. Okay, so you're not holding it down, so you just hold it on top a little bit, not very fast, not at the center that much, but somewhere right there. Okay, so the hair is separated here at the front. It's the hair you're going to same as if you're taking it to the back, like this. See, you just do it. So this one you just pick. It doesn't have a much of a formula. You just pick and place it together. So what we're doing is you also tie it like that. Some people will choose to leave it like that, but that is not the style of the day today. What you do next is pick the ones that we held as the first ones. And rotate it like that. Okay. If you have a bigger hairband, you can actually just now place it right there. So remember, it's how to style your very own braids. Let me do that last part. So after that, you can choose to apply some gel onto your hair. If you have some that are like this, some baby hair there, and then you'll be good to go. So guys, remember to like this video, share it out, leave a comment down below. You can talk to me via my socials, that is @Wambere at Miss Maureen. And remember, I got you covered on different styles. We have done so many tutorials. Well, what I was actually telling you guys is that today we're supposed to go somewhere to actually implement a certain idea, but we have had so many hiccups. But regardless of that, I don't even know what to do right now. I'm even confused. I woke up ready. Here's our hairstyle of the day, all amazing and bossy. but let the will of God be done. What else can we do? I have no choice. And then I don't even know how I'm feeling deep down. You see that fire of doing something. It has actually reduced. It's like I don't even know what to do. Anyways, remember to like this video and watch my other videos. Right here, yeah. This one, okay. This one, or yeah. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me, did you like it? Because actually, I love it.